Hi guys, my name is Abhiba and welcome to my channel. So for my first video I'm going to be reviewing an eyeshadow palette that I really like, and this eyeshadow palette is from Makeup Revolution and the name is Fortune Favors the Brave. So I think without any further blabbering, I'll get right into the video with the review. So now that we're reviewing the palette, the first thing I would like to talk about is the packaging of the palette. Palette comes in this golden box. It's a simple cardboard box and this is the back side of the box, as you can see. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to open the palette for you guys. So this is what the palette looks like. There is the Makeup Revolution logo embossed right here, and this is the back side of the palette. Now before I open the palette for you guys, I would like to talk about the palette. I think it's very sturdy and it's very handy. Also, I think you can carry it in your handbags or take it wherever you would want to. I think I really like the size. It's a perfect palette to carry in your bags. Now let's open this and see the colors. So yeah. Okay, the first thing that I really like about this palette is the size of the mirror. The mirror is huge and the quality of the mirror is very nice. Now let's talk about the colors. So I'm going to show you the shades now. This is what the shades look like, if you can see. I hope it's clearer. So this is how the shades look. So now let's talk about the colors in this palette. So there are a total of 30 colors here, 30 eyeshadows here. The pan size is pretty good, and there are a lot of earthy tones, there are a lot of neutrals and a lot of shimmer shades. The other thing that I would like to talk about from this palette is this double-sided brush. It's a good brush. It's better than those spongy brushes, if you know what I mean. So there's that, and these are the shades again, up close. Now the next thing that we're going to talk about from this palette is going to be the swatches of these eyeshadows. Now this is what the first row of eyeshadows look like. This is how the second row of eyeshadow looks like. This is what the third row of the eyeshadows look like. This is how the fourth row of eyeshadow looks like. Now that you've seen the swatches, I'm sure you can tell that the palette is very pigmented and the colors are super nice. Now the next thing that we're going to talk about is the pricing of the palette and where you can find it. So I ordered mine from Myntra and it cost me around 1300 or 1400 rupees. But you can order it from Amazon or from Myntra, wherever you like. I'm not sure if it's on Nykaa yet, but that is it. You can find it on Amazon or Myntra. I'm going to put the link in the description box. And the actual price of this palette is 1950 rupees, but I got it for 1300 or 1400 because it was on discount. So you can obviously check the other apps where you can find it. So apart from that, what I personally liked about this palette, now I'm going to tell you that. The first thing that I really liked is the size of the palette. It's a perfect size to carry in your handbag. I really like that it has a big mirror. The other thing that I like, it has a good brush, a double-sided brush. The first side could be used for applying it and the second one is for blending it. I really like that about the palette. And the major good thing about the palette is that it is all cruelty free. So none of it is tested on any of the animals, which is a very good thing, and I would definitely recommend you buying this palette. Now talking about if it is a hit or a miss, definitely a hit. There is a lot about this palette that I'm yet to discover. I'm talking about all the looks that I can create from this palette for you guys. So please keep on watching my videos. I know this is the first one, but I'll be uploading some more, and I'll be uploading some looks that I create using this palette right here. So please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and you can always comment what you would like to see, and you know, you could drop in your suggestions or anything that you would like me to review or you would like me to try on. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.